Hey guys, just a quick update before we crack on with doing a service and timing change. Put the alloys on the car. Wheel nuts, centre caps, they all turned up, so I thought, well, why not? I think you can agree. Try and get a better shot of this side. It looks a hell of a lot better. Hell of a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on and get this timing belt done. So it's a good job we started this. Airbox off. Got this off, starting ready to get into taking rocker off. Since your last time we got a brand new alternator. Well, we got a brand new water pump. But whoever had it last couldn't be bothered to change timing belt. It's a good job we're doing it, because that is foobar. So got engine mount off, just about to start putting bits in place to keep engine in position at a cam kit, and hopefully get it done soon. Cut back in soon. to replace it. In position. Just got to put it back together. Okay, I'm going to tackle the interior today. I'm not going to take the seats out because they're not that bad, but we're going to give everything a little bit of a shampoo. Some unidentified stain, which probably going to have to get the steam cleaner on. But the seats aren't that bad, so I'll clean them in situ. Like I say, there's no need to take them out, but we'll give it all a good clean and get it looking ship shape. I lied. I've taken this seat out. Looking underneath, there was this lovely stain underneath the seat. And no matter what way you looked at it, it needed to come out. So I'll just get a quick once off with Hoover. I'm going to get drill brush out, rough it all up, see if you can get more up. Get my lily brush, some of the hairs, and then we will wet extract it and get a shampoo. Cut back into it. I lied. I took the seat base out. I took the driver's seat out. It's just too many stains. So, stains you can see, I'm just going to pre-treat with a bit of MPC. Let that do its job before I cut back in and do some shampooing. Cut back in a bit. Sort of cutting off that little bit of time lapse. You can see APC has done its job, as well as the spot crow, the Bissell. That stain which was there, you can see, has gone. That's what I'm using. And that is what's just come out of that one little bit. Shows you how filthy it really is. Oh, sort of cutting. Back seats been cleaned. All carpets have been cleaned. I think you'll agree. They've come up really well. All stains have gone. Just the plastics to do now. But a bit of a break now. That should be in a bit. Hi guys, it's actually the next day. Needed to give time for the seats to dry. I just thought I'd show them back in situ and just show how well they've come up. Put some new carpets in, or mats should I say. Wife picked them. It's her car after all. But yeah, it's come up really well. Done all the plastics. So in here, apart from obviously doing the windows, is effectively done. Just got this door to change. But I need to get the new one painted first, so yeah, just so I'll give you an update. Hi guys, just thought I'd cut in. I've fully cleaned it now, clay barred it, give it a quick detail wax, but when it goes to paint shop, I'm going to see if it can mop it for us. I mean, it's got to go for paint, so might as well let them try and sort it all out. But yeah, it's clean, it's tidy, it drives. She is going to be driving it until we get door sorted. I'm going to nip up tomorrow and see when he can actually fit it in and do it. So once it's done, I'll add it in and see the results. Alright, speak to you soon. Hi guys, just thought I'd quick and give you an update on the Fiat 500, which is going to be the wife's everyday. As you can see, it's back from the body shop. It's had repairs done and it's been painted and it all looks superb. Sill repaired. Had to have the whole sill looked at because this little bit wasn't the major bit of damage. It was all along, so I had to get that sorted. Got a new door, all been painted up, and we've basically had this side of the car resprayed because obviously all the inner sill still had to be done, blended in, so it just made sense to do the whole side of the car. Rest of the car I had mopped. It's come really well. just needs cleaning. But inside, as you can tell, loads and loads of dust. So it'll need a clean before we can go any further. So just got that to sort. I missed, I didn't have time to show everything being done, putting it back together, but I was pressured for time to get it sorted. But as you can see, come up really well. So just clean to do. Once it's fully clean and been washed, I'll show you all. See you in a bit. Guys, just thought I'd cut in. Just to show inside has now been fully cleaned. We've got no dust whatsoever. Lovely clean mats, lovely clean seats. Also put a new head unit in. It's one of them touch screens that replaces the existing standard radio, but I didn't have a standard radio in this one. But obviously now with this one I've got Bluetooth, everything else, and hands-free, so all good. But yeah, just the outside to do now. Hi guys, a couple hours later, fully cleaned. I think you agree. It's turned out really, really well. Not gonna lie, could have spent a whole lot more having a lot more paint work done, especially bonnet, but we'll save that for another day. So that's another one done. If you're enjoying these videos, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe if you want to follow us, because we will be doing some more as soon as time permits. Catch you later.